We're back with another Superbuy haul. Yes, quick life update because obviously I have a different background. Wow. So basically I broke up with my ex and I got my own apartment. I'm sharing with one of my friends. This is the living room, but we turned it into a room because the other room was really small. Like, it's tiny. Everything is a crazy mess right now. Like, you can't see what is going on over there. All my shoes on the floor because I still haven't found a shoe rack that I like. That was just a quick life update. I've been seeing these insane like pretty dresses from Posh. They're so pretty, and I finally got my hands on like 2-3, yes, from Taobao. I shopped through Taobao using Superbuy, by the way. I do have a video up already, and I do have a tutorial on that video as well. I'll link it down below. You can go watch that if you've never shopped on Superbuy. Seeing that a lot of you have already signed up, I'm already shopping on Superbuy. I hope you got the cutest things ever. I know you did. This that I'm wearing, this is also from Taobao. It was a little bit expensive, but honestly, like, it makes sense. Look how cute this is. Yeah, basically it has ears. Can you see that? Can you see the ears? And then at the back, I have no ass to shake. Guys, I'm on the 4th floor. I thought by now I would have ass for all the up and down that I'm doing, but no, I still don't have any. It has wings at the back. Fly, fly. Let's get into the haul because this is taking too long. Oh, this time the delivery for Superbuy, it took longer because the other options were so much more expensive. And I didn't mind waiting, so I just chose the cheaper, longer option. It still arrived in good condition. Who are you? Really quickly, I did rebuy this shorts. The last size I got, it was too big. You guys have already seen this in the last haul. It goes with this other one, it was too big and it was given diaper, and I was like, ew. You see the vision. I'm not putting the entire thing on. Should I? Oh, fine, just for you. This is so much better. Actually looks like a skirt instead of a diaper. Say swear. This is one of my favorite sets that I've ever bought. This is from the brand Serendipity, one of my favorite brand ever. And I have like so many items from them. Let's get into the dresses. I'm so excited. Oh my god. First impression, the colors are so pretty. I don't know what is happening and who belongs to who. We'll figure that out. Look at this. Look. It's so freaking cute. Yeah, let's put this on because there's a bow. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this on because I don't even know where I'm gonna start. Hello? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? How pretty is this? This is without a petticoat. Wow! Are you joking? The quality is insane. These are expensive, by the way, but like, it's so worth it. Like, look at this. I do wish it was shorter, but that's just because I'm a hoe. This petticoat, I got it from AliExpress, I think. I'll link it down below as well. Hopefully they're still selling it. It has a little trail at the back. It comes with a tie back, not a corset. I wish it came with a corset because then you can really get it tight, but I tried the best that I could. Look how pretty the colors are. And I look so horrible today. Today I'm giving zombie. I don't know how to attach it. Like, it's supposed to go like at the back. It comes with straps so you can put here. So this thing, maybe I put this through somehow. I couldn't figure out how to do it. So I kind of just tied it like this. Just imagine I did it properly. Just look at the back. Just ignore the front. Is it like even? Is it even Stevens? I do wish they give you a petticoat, but I have a lot of petticoats anyway, so I can't complain. The quality is insane. Also, it's not like cheap material. It comes with a lot of like netting and tulle and like the trail behind. Imagine I'm running. If I had the energy, I'd pair them with these shoes, like, easy. This was worth $50. Absolutely. I need to style this properly another day, like get a Lolita wig. I actually have one. I don't know where they are. I'm still unpacking till this day. I'm still unpacking, girlies. You have to be very patient with me. Out of 10, this is like 9. Maybe if I had a corset, 10. But it doesn't have a corset, and I need to figure out how to do the bow. Looks a little bit better. I'm so tempted to just put this on my wall. Like, imagine, and I just put it like Like, isn't that so pretty? Next outfit. Let me do a transition. So this is what it looks like without a petticoat. I'm flabbergasted, curious. Look at how pretty it is. Also the design. It does come with straps, but obviously I'm taking that off. We'll just let it hang at the back. I can't be bothered removing it. This comes with a corset like backing, but it's like really weird to tie. I don't know, but I managed to do it anyways. And this is her. So pretty. Look at it, so bouncy. We're not even finished because it comes with a jacket. Am I dreaming? Look how pretty this is. Ah. This is the most perfect dress. This is a 10 out of 10. Hello? Hello? Do you even have to ask? What shoe should I wear, guys? Let's wear this one. The only thing is that this part is like a little bit annoying. I think I just need to... How do I look? How do I look? Wow! Also, it's given Elf. It would have been perfect for Christmas. I actually like got this ages ago, but because I was moving, it took so long to film this video. This is absolutely perfect. The silhouettes are so beautiful as well. They really put hopes and dreams into this, and sparkles and butterflies and marshmallows and vanilla. Is the bag giving? Does this make my butt look big? This actually keeps you warm. This is my favorite dress now. The other one, it was okay. This one, out of the sky, out of the moon, over the moon, out of this world. So sorry guys, usually I would give you looks back to back and like hairstyles back to back, but like I'm literally traveling tomorrow. I'm still busy, you know, and I'm working as well. I'm working at Miniso. This was $84. Honestly, worth it. Like, this is a red carpet look. If I ever get invited to the Met Gala, hello? I don't care what the theme is. I am coming in this. This is my outfit every single time I get invited as well. Who said you can't rewear your outfits as many times as you want? Who said that? Because I will fight them. This thing keeps happening. It's a little bit annoying me. Maybe it's just like the fabric is too heavy in the front. Everything's gnarly. They be trying to copy. I'm legit. Not gnarly. Let's change into the next dress. Don't know if that transition worked, but this is the next dress. These are all so perfect. Like they look exactly like the picture. Sometimes you buy stuff on like AliExpress or Taobao and you get like scammed a little bit, but this ones, they're so pretty. No. So this is it without a petticoat. Are you actually being serious? This is guys, this is so perfect. This is the best haul I've ever had, like ever. Oh my god. Guys, like, can you see what I'm seeing? Wait, should I wear shoes? Let me wear shoes. They came with some accessories. I'm not sure if these are garters or for arms, but I don't think this is gonna fit my arm. Yeah, maybe this is a garter. Does this look crazy? I feel like this does not make sense, actually. It might be for your arms, because this... What we do have for arms that I'm definitely sure is for arms. These ones. It also comes with a headband. This is insane. Like, this is going on my head. Is Loki giving Infinity Nikki? Honestly, it's not that bad. 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 It's really like huge. I think it's the hairstyle. If I had bangs, this would make sense. Right now, I'm looking lackluster. I added these sleeves. You do of course get a string that you can wear as a choker. I don't like chokers. I don't like anything around my neck really, apart from necklaces. So I don't know what these are for. I don't know if you wear it with it, if you don't wear it with it. I think it's like 2 options, so you can choose. I'm probably gonna have to sew this tighter a little bit. Like even like the color scheme milk. I don't know, but yeah, the color. I don't know why I'm saying it anymore. Yeah, basically, this is really pretty. It's really pretty. Can you see? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to wear like a... I think you can see my ass. I'm gonna have to wear safety shorts. Who are you? I don't know. Look at everything is so perfect. The poof, the length, the volume, the color, the material. Like, I don't know what material this is, but this is so cozy. Look, you have like bunny ears. Can you see this? I can't decide if I prefer the pink one or this one. Like, I feel like the pink one I can wear for special occasions, and then this one is like, I can wear this to go shopping. If I'm going grocery shopping, I can just like show up like this at Tesco's or something. Who's gonna question me? This is entirely normal. I feel like this is like the basic effort you should put to go grocery shopping. Like, if you're doing less than that, I think you should really think about your life or something. Let's try the other sleeves. It'll look like this if it did stay, but it's not staying because it's too big for me. Do you prefer this sleeve, the blue sleeve, or like sleeveless? I kind of like the blue one. There's so many flies outside the window, but maybe they're dancing because like my outfit is so nice. I'm so hungry. Everything is like falling apart, but like it's okay because I don't know. It's not okay, is it? Maybe. I don't know. None of my business. This is so cute. And then if you wanted to, you could wear that choker thing over there. But like, I don't like chokers, so I'm not gonna wear it. Shoes, yes. So we have some other items. I got these pink shoes because I was like, I need winter shoes that aren't white. Winter shoes that I can actually walk in. So I needed something pink to go with. Oh my god. Look at these. There's fluff everywhere. Also, the heels aren't too high. Let me change, guys. Let me change. That took forever, but I did it. Can you guys see? Does it look weird? Isn't it so pretty? It's so comfortable as well. Oh, I have neighbors. I'm on the 4th floor. Did I say that? Did I already mention that I was on the 4th floor? Look at this. Look at that. I don't know why I did that. Also, this is detachable, so you can take the fur off and just wear it as it is. Also a really cute option as well. I love that. That's so cool. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer with the fur or without the fur? Boots with the fur. Got the whole world looking at her. Low, 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 low. Wait, what's next? Oh, we have a jacket. We have a pink jacket, which means I need to go and change. I'm gonna need a minute to get myself together. Okay, ignore this because this top is obviously too long for this skirt. And I knew that and I still pulled it out of my closet. This is what I'm working with. Oh, let's not show our ass on the television. That is disgusting. Is it? Do what you gotta do, girl. Let's put the jacket on. This jacket is really heavy. This was like $70. You can tell. If this jacket was sold in like the West, it would be way more expensive. It would be like probably like $200. You can find so many things for cheap on Taobao. And Superbuy makes it so easy. Get on Superbuy, guys. Wow. This is a whole jacket. Wait, no, the colors don't match. The pinks don't match, guys. These ones match a little better. I'm not changing now, but you can see the vision that I have in my head. You can see the vision. My vision is to slay, and I will slay till the end of the day. This is my vision. I love how this jacket is flared. Like it's make it feel pretty in a jacket, and it has pockets. It has they're still sewn together. I need to cut it. Look at me. Look at me. You're looking. I taste good, but I just gotta understand the cooking. Isn't this just absolutely perfect? Let me show you in detail the rose pins, like the rose buttons. I said last time that my last Superbuy haul was my favorite, but honestly, I got so many good pieces. They were really expensive, and the shipping was a little bit insane because they are really heavy pieces. 3 big ass dresses and this big ass jacket. Like the shipping is gonna be insane. Like it's so worth it. You're probably like, oh, it's so expensive, and like the shipping is so expensive. But actually, think about it. You would wear this jacket like every single day for like 10 years. I would wear this jacket every single day for 10 years, even in summer, even when it's like really hot. I don't care. I'm going to wear this. I know it's not right. It can't stop me, can't stop me. Oh, hello. My name is Shelly Duvall. I need to change. There's one more jacket. I got a brown jacket because I have a lot of browns in my closet now, and I don't have any jackets to go with it. I'm watching Kami-sama Kiss. Yes, it's so good. I sit right there and watch Kami-sama Kiss and stuff my face. I need to eat healthier. Eating trees is probably better than Greg's. Wait, is it? Are trees healthier? Can you eat trees? I don't think you can eat trees. If a human ate grass, would they like be okay? Fruit is plant, and like, do we eat plants? Vegetables are plants. So really, honestly, I think yeah, you can eat grass. Actually, no. Let me not say that. Don't go and eat grass because I said it. Maybe research before you eat grass. You shouldn't be eating grass anyways. You could just have, I don't know, cauliflower. Where was I? Yeah, basically, this is a jacket. Let me change shoes. You guys, it's not the right brown. No! All my browns are literally this shade. Going to the country. Gonna see some cows. They put you on a trip. Let's hope it doesn't rain. We're going to the country. This doesn't look right, does it? Kind of ended with like the worst item. You guys are probably not gonna watch the end anyways. I don't know. Are you? If you're still here, hi. Hello. It's so nice to see you here. Do you come here often? I might give it away. My battery is gonna die, so like I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys had fun, and I hope like this was like so exciting for you. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like or something. Yeah, I have a code on Superbuy. There's a tutorial in my last video, and you can watch my last video as well. I really love this jacket. I'm gonna wear it like this. Did I just do something? 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 Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye-bye. See you later. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Okay. Okay. Please leave. I'm saying that to me, by the way.